I'm sure many of you recognized the telltale signs of centripetal acceleration immediately. As the smartphone rotates, an acceleration is registered in the Z direction, which is straight out from the phone, perpendicular to the direction of motion. Based on your investigation, you should now have a general idea of how centripetal acceleration measured by the accelerometer relates to the radius, which is the distance from the center of rotation that your phone is, as well as the rotational velocity, or how fast or slow that it's rotating. But where exactly is the accelerometer located in this phone? That is what we are going to find out. To determine the location of the accelerometer in the smartphone, we need to find the relationship between centripetal acceleration and radius, and centripetal acceleration and rotational velocity with much higher precision. Thus, for this next part, we will be using a rotational motion apparatus. For this, we will take our smartphone running the accelerometer app and we will attach it to the end here. We will hit record button. This will record the acceleration and allow us to export it later to a data analysis program. And this way we can change the radius very consistently and keep the rotational velocity the same to see how radius and centripetal acceleration are related. We are essentially going to do the same thing with rotational velocity. We are going to keep the radius the same, but change rotational velocity and see how it affects centripetal acceleration. To do so, we will place a camera above the rotational motion apparatus, record it rotating around, and send that to a video analysis program. We will be using Logger Pro to do so. Once we have this data, we will need to find the relationship between centripetal acceleration and radius. Find the exact relationship there. In fact, we'll find the fit line for that. And then centripetal acceleration and rotational velocity. Once we know these relationships, we can find the exact radius from the axis of rotation. So the axis of rotation is here at this 0 mark. We'll get the exact distance from here to wherever the accelerometer is on our phone. Each group will be using their handout, which is broken this problem down into 3 basic steps: the investigation portion, the data taking portion, and the data analysis portion, to help find out where your accelerometer is for each individual group's smartphone. Thank you very much and good luck.